Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In our last video, we saw how to work with black soil. If you don't want to face challenges with it, the best solution is container gardening. Today, let's see how easily we can set this up. Even kids can do as a project and it's fun for them. This video was recorded at my friend's house in Texas and you can see the kids how happily helping with the setup. First, take a kiddie pool or tub. You can get this tub during the fall season for only couple of dollars in sale, and the diameter is around 4 feet. It can fit even in smaller backyards or side yards. This can fit around 4 cubic feet of soil. Make few holes at the bottom for water drainage. We are making 5 holes here with the drilling machine, but you can make more holes if you notice water slump. Be cautious while using the tools, especially with the kids around. You may use nails, screwdriver or knife to make holes, but sometimes it might get the crack. Add 2 bags of organic soil, that is around 100 quarts or 4 cubic feet. I prefer to use raised bed soil or potting mix soil. That's it. If you want the plants to grow faster and healthier, you may use mushroom compost or peat moss. This is optional though. First, add 1 bag of organic soil or fill it halfway and then add 4 to 5 quarts of mushroom compost, 4 to 5 quarts of peat moss. Mix it and then fill it with the remaining organic soil. The total cost of this project will be less than $20, including the soil and compost mix. Now let's quickly see 10 benefits using this and also what plants we can grow in this. First, easy setup. Second, easy disposal. Whenever you don't need it, you can simply trash it out or store it. Third, it will be tough for bugs like slugs, grubs and rollies to enter into it from the ground. Fourth, low cost. If you buy a small pot, it costs around $8 and you get this for $2 and this is equal to 5 pots. Fifth, no dependency on labor for installation. Sixth, weed resistant. This one is one of the biggest help for us. Seventh, weatherproof. This has resistance to snow and hot temperatures. 8. Independent of soil and water drainage issues. 9th, zero maintenance for the first 3 months and you can amend the soil for the next year. And in between you can add liquid fertilizer or compost to keep the soil nutrient rich. 10th, easy mobility. You may not lift this, but you can drag it easily from one place to other. You can move it to the sunlight or shade, depends on your plant needs. One important question everyone will have is, can we place this on the lawn? Will the grass below die? We kept on the lawn and moved. You can see in the picture that looks like the grass is dead, but it is not. And you can see here that everything looks normal after a couple of weeks. You can grow many types of floral plants and veggie plants in this tub. You can grow the plants which have shallow roots and does not have deep roots. The height of this tub is around 7 to 8 inches, so you can grow most of the vegetable and floral plants. Here are some examples to grow. All the leafy vegetables like broccoli, lettuce, spinach, mint, gongura, totokura, chukkakura, onion, beetroot, ginger, garlic, etc. And most of the annual flowers like marigold, zinnia, vinca, jinca, etc. And medium deep root plants like beans, peppers, eggplant, and some deep root plants also like tomato, okra. The roots penetrate sideways once it touches to the bottom. We grew them successfully too. You can see how tall the okra plants here. You can try potato too, but suggest deeper pots or buckets for potato, carrot, taro, curry leaves, etc. Another advantage is that most of the leafy veggies will come back in the spring without sowing. Hope this helps you in deciding whether you should go for container gardening or not. If you go for it, hope this video helps you to choose what to plant. Thank you all for watching. Thank you.